So what do we think about the recent Supreme Court's directive on stray dogs? Well, I think let's who is a dog lover here?
I like dogs.
I think nobody hates dogs. Let's just say that nobody hates.
In fact,
dogs.
I think most of us love dogs.
Yeah, animals.
In fact, we love animals. Exactly, we love animals.
Vegetarian view.
I'm vegetarian. Exactly. and I'm
Pure
a turned
vegetarian.
vegetarian only because of the love for animals, right? I don't want to inflict harm on any animal. That was my thought when I turned vegetarian. So just to put it out there, none of us hate dogs or for that matter any animal, right? Now with that said, I think आपके पास तो पहले थे भी pet dogs,
I
right?
had like 2 dogs and then I fed many street dogs. मेरा तो street dog भी था एक.
But
So
then,
what is your take on this? What is your take on
Whatever
this?
is happening, I think honestly it is a problem that when stray dogs are there on the streets, and not just for the people but also it's a problem for them. I mean the way they have been treated by the people, right? It's not right. कोई उनको मार रहा होता है, कभी उनकी कोई कार चली जाती है. So for the betterment of the strays, it's always better if they are in a proper, well kept place, shelters and all of that. So the idea should be that they should fight for better shelters rather than feeding the strays
Right,
on the
right.
road.
do you think that in 8 weeks that is possible? The
So see,
Supreme
that's a
Court's
different
directive
question.
that
I
should
think
be-
first let's try to have a consensus of whether it is important to have shelters or should we allow stray dogs to be as they are.
No, see,
What
there
do we
is
all
no-
think? Is there a need? And we can then come to that whether 8 weeks are enough. How many shelters do we need? What kind of investments will that take? All of that aside,
Definitely
is there a
having
need for
a
shelters?
shelter, yes. Who doesn't like a home?
Exactly. I think that's a good.
मतलब हर किसी को घर चाहिए ना.
in
Who
fact,
doesn't like a home?
All
So
so-called lovers who
being
are
on the road, nobody likes to be on
Exactly.
the road.
And I think
so
people who are
shelters
protesting
good. Yeah.
right now, they are actually trying to deprive these stray dogs of a home, like you said, right?
Yeah.
Where they'll be taken care of, where they'll be fed properly, where they'll be, even extreme weather conditions, they'll be protected from those conditions.
But being devil's advocate here, yesterday only on news, there were people who were questioning that say X number of dogs were picked up from different societies. Is there any news around where have those dogs gone? Where did you take them? What is happening?
That's true, right.
Like you've
That's
given a
true.
directive, you've told ki these many number of dogs need to be removed from the streets, but we
How are
don't know.
those organizations
Are there already
No, I think that's a
shelters
fair point.
available? No.
I think while implementing what Supreme Court has said, we have to ensure that the dogs that are picked up are indeed sent to a shelter and
or
not
what
just
is happening with
Maybe
them?
there should be a geotagging done
Yeah.
to the dogs, which you can see where they are. Something on those lines.
So
Technology
अगर
को use करो.
हम सबको पता
just to say कि आप ले जाओ ना कहीं पे, that is not a solution. But you're right. I think maybe we should start. Maybe 8 weeks are not enough, like you said. I think maybe we
I
should
don't think
start
8
with
weeks
building good shelters, and one at a time. Once the shelters are built, we can start putting animals
So
there.
But at the
Because
same
the
time, I also
sequence
think
of-
कि unless until ये Supreme Court की तरफ से directive आता, I don't think anybody would have
So many
taken it
years.
seriously, right?
There is not even a single shelter
So
in a
Creating
What
that
I-
sort
in the
of
capital
pressure
of the
is also
country.
important.
Correct.
कि
Forget
8
about tier
weeks
2
में होना
cities.
चाहिए.
It should not be only the government who is building them. हमें भी contribute करना
हाँ,
चाहिए.
exactly.
Building all
The
those.
animal lovers and dog lovers, rather than protesting on the streets with those placards, they should actually try and either contribute monetarily or even invest his time and effort if they really care for the animals.
whatever protest is happening, what is the protest for? Is the question, right? So if you want to say, okay, we agree with your directive that yes, dogs should not be on the street, they should be in a safe space. Protest to have those safe spaces be the first priority, ना?
True.
आप प्रायोरिटाइजेशन ऑफ इवेंट्स पे कोई मतलब क्रोनोलॉजी तो देखो ना. क्रोनोलॉजी जरूरी है.
To simply say कि
Action that is happening right now. Right.
They're eating
I
all
think
sorts of
going
animals, but they're
forward,
protesting for dogs.
I think
That is
Fair
that's
point.
there.
Yeah, I will see it. I am not
no, I
vegetarian.
think Ranjan, like we were discussing
Yeah.
yesterday, right? And I think Ranjan kind of pointed a very important thing. It's now being looked at as being cool.
Yeah.
Correct.
कि अभी इवन इफ दैट डे जब ये सारा प्रोटेस्ट इंडिया गेट पे हुआ था, आई बेट you go there and you speak with 10 people who actually
They will
know
not
what the
even know.
directive is.
Yeah, nobody-
Just this much. That what has Supreme
That's the
Court
sad
said
reality.
actually.
And
How
I-
many of them will be able to answer that?
Actually,
really
I
doubt.
don't know why, but many of them think कि Supreme Court ने मारने को बोला, ऐसा कुछ नहीं बोला है.
ऐसा कुछ बोला ही नहीं है.
No,
They're
it's
just
just
making
a,
case.
but it is a fair fear.
But you know what?
If
I-
you're,
I
it
have
is a
a-
fair concern.
The fear is
They should not
Concern-
be
yeah,
caged.
exactly.
There shouldn't be any animal.
They have a right to have a
There should
concern.
not be any cruelty
Okay.
against them just for the sake of.
They should try and ensure that these things are implemented
Yeah.
properly.
Yeah.
But
But
there is
just on a lighter note, have you guys also had like such experiences with strays?
No. I
like
have had.
where
So the place where
you've been on the receiving end.
in fact,
Thankfully,
coincidentally,
not me, but two of my cousins. Not me.
coincidentally, very recent experiences and not very pleasant experiences, right? So where I stay, there are many dogs in Noida Sector 15 when I
I
stay,
just want
right?
to
There
say
are
I'm
many,
really sad for my cousins. I'm just thankful for myself.
right? And where I stay, if I come late in the night, like there are people who feed dogs in the night, right? And because of that, there are these stray dogs, huge dogs, okay, and they are there all the time in groups of 5, 6, 7, and it's very difficult for us to even park our car outside and get to our gate. Yesterday, and we all know, right? One of our friends, he got bitten by a dog,
What, wait?
and I think
He
Chetan,
was
my
just
mother,
walking around the park. Yeah.
first-hand experience. My mother got bit by a dog, a stray dog, and she, at this age, she had to go through a lot of medicine, injections, and all that. And
It's
then
so
the
traumatic
trauma
mentally,
that she went
Right.
through.
And
And
why?
see, start
why?
में तो इसीलिए हुआ था ना, because
And
that
why-
that
telling
kid
her that dogs are
lost.
Exactly.
He won't bite actually.
Exactly. When I say that, I can't say this because I was there with her when this happened, but
Right.
You were there.
Yeah.
My God.
we were on a scooty, we were traveling together, and
Oh,
the dog chose my mother's leg instead of mine. So, what could
but
we
that
do?
can happen to anyone.
Yeah.
And you can't point out
the
whether
fear
this dog
that,
is.
that is there in my and my mother's head right now. It's
I'm sure.
unexplainable. I can't tell you what I feel when I see 2-3 dogs in front of me. I can't tell you.
Right.
And see, ultimately, all of this started
Yeah.
because of that only,
So,
right?
in fact, I
the
think day
child
before
code.
yesterday, I had this appointment, my visa appointment, right, at the VFS Center, Shivaji Metro Station. And there, we got off the car, there was a driver, he parked it, we got off the car, my wife was holding my son, my 2-year-old. And while we were trying to get into the metro station, 5, 6 dogs from inside the metro station, they came running outside.
Background.
And
Looks like a movie scene.
metro
Yeah,
station,
background.
and there was all
Movie
sorts-
scene, no background score being who let the dogs out.
And honestly, there were these security guards there, जो metro station की security थी. Everybody was there, and they came running from inside the metro station.
I mean, the way Rajesh
And
Narine
I
like
actually had to jump.
हीरो खड़ा था सामने से
And
5
that tells
कुत्ते
you
आ
about
रहे
the public infrastructure. Na, कि वो inside
Why are
the
they
metro
allowed to
station-
even forget about stray dogs being on the street? They're allowed to get into the metro station. And they came out running, and I had to actually jump on top of that dog. And for the next 15,
Next
20
thing आप
minutes,
metro में भी मिल जाएंगे.
my heart was pounding like anything.
Oh,
Yeah,
there was a video भी एक बंदर मेट्रो के अंदर घूम रहा था in Delhi metro में. There was a monkey inside the metro.
See, if
inside
India
the metro.
truly aspires to be a developed country, like the countries we have in the West, US, Europe, I think there we don't see any stray animal on the road. No. And when we talk, we're not just talking about dogs.
This is one thing which we appreciate a lot when we go out.
Exactly. So, and here we have not just dogs, I think even other animals.
Any animal for that
I think,
matter should not be on
see,
the
I do care a lot about cows, right? So we go to these gaushalas every week to feed cows and all that. And I would not like cows to be on the road.
That's
They are
true.
not, road is not a place where even they will feel comfortable, right? It is not a good place for them. I would rather have gaushalas where cows are treated well, they are fed well. And same goes for dogs, right?
You go there, volunteer, pet them, feed
Exactly.
them, donate there, do whatever you want
I
to do
think
there.
the energies need to be focused on building good
Something
shelters,
nice.
volunteering there, taking care of them rather than, we see these posts on Diwali, right, that don't burst crackers, it harms dogs, don't play Holi, it harms dogs. So why are dogs there in the first place? Let them be in the shelters where they will not be harmed.
But is it really that better is the question. So the
That is what
energy
we
is
can
not
work
being
towards.
focused on the
See,
right
that is
thing.
what we can work
If you're
towards.
channelizing,
That should be
if you're channelizing your energy on the right things, then of course it's an ideal world to have those pets or strays in a certain space, which is safe for them, good for them.
See, there the good part would be there'll be accountability, right? You know
Right,
whom
exactly.
to catch hold of. On the road, you can't do that. I mean, nobody's responsible.
And
There.
if
No,
you're
and nobody
donating
likes
for
to
that
take
cause-
those responsibilities.
Absolutely, that's true.
Absolutely not. In fact, वो तो अपने घर के सामने भी नहीं खिलाते. They want to feed the dogs. They want to feed the strays. Many of them intentionally go to somebody else's house. They put the food there.
That's so shameful, right?
Yeah. Because they know कि once the dog knows कि यहाँ पे खाना मिलेगा, वो उसी जगह
वहीं पे
आएगा.
And given an option, they will not adopt those Indian breeds.
Yeah.
Exactly,
They will-
adoption.
They will,
Why
they will
don't we-
go for their
I
German
think-
Shepherd and all those
Yeah.
the breeds.
These
Proper
stray
breed
dogs,
ones,
if all the people protesting today adopt even one dog, 2 dogs from the road, I think that will solve the problem to an extent,
Yeah,
right?
some bit.
But they will not do that. it's easy to protest rather than actually work towards a solution.
Correct. That's more fashionable.
Exactly.
They
Actually,
say that they are babies, but do we actually put our babies on the road?
Exactly. Imagine. In fact, if there is a movement towards it, we can actually have some NGOs funding, actually building these shelters, and we can then fund those NGOs,
There are.
and then we can see those.
there are NGOs only.
They're
Government
doing
centers
it.
तो बहुत कम है.
NGOs are doing it. The problem is even they are such a bad shape because people are not donating. The ones who are there protesting, everyone just get like $100, $500.
NGOs also उनको जो funding आती है उनको बहुत कम आती है.
And I think the best part
The
would be
amount
that
of-
people who are not dog lovers, not dog
Even
haters,
they-
even they will be willing to contribute. to this.
The amount of petrol that they would have
I will be
probably
willing to contribute
used
if-
to come to India
if
get
this-
that
exactly.
evening.
If I have to today, honestly, if I have to pay so that the stray dogs in my sector actually go to a safer place, I will be willing to pay
Exactly.
because
For
today
Because
I
that's
can't.
also
These
for
are
your
safe,
safety,
right?
right?
Exactly.
I
I honestly can't step out. If I decide to have a walk in the evening, right, with my son, holding my son, we can't do that.
You have to carry a stick with you.
Exactly,
just
and
to
sometimes
be-
the stick also doesn't work. There are 5-6 dogs,
Yeah.
and see, sometimes even if the dog doesn't intentionally want to attack you, even in their self-defense, they may not know.
Correct.
For example, they see a
Yeah.
stick, they may, for the fear of their own life, they may feel defensive and they
will
either
pounce
attack
on
you
you,
or
yeah.
something. You have to get those injections then, right? Rabies ke. And if you don't get
Better
injection,
than
it's a
getting
yeah,
those
it's a-
rabies shots, pay that much amount for the betterment of, and I'll do it with choice, with love for the
Exactly.
animal. I'll do it because I am an animal lover, and the ones who who actually love animal, they would want.
They'll
the
understand
dogs,
better.
Yeah, they would never want a dog to be on the road. Why would you want anybody whom you love be on the road at the first
Yeah.
place? As simple as that.
exactly.
You're feeding them well and good. Feed them in that NGO. Donate the same amount, maybe $50 or 500, whatever the amount doesn't matter. Go and donate it to the NGO, right? And as simple as that.
About that guard.
Yeah, so
Oh.
अभी recently
That was
I
very
think
deadly
yeah,
also.
बहुत ही अजीब था वो. Recently saw it in one of the reels where there was this guard in a society where he was like being attacked with all those dogs. तो उसने अपना लाठी लेके उसको मारना शुरू किया. But वहाँ की सोसाइटी वाले ही वापस उसको मारने लगे. And then so imagine so like सोसाइटी वाले भी मार रहे हैं, कुत्ते भी मार रहे हैं.
Another question.
मतलब love for animals, love for humans नहीं होना चाहिए.
Exactly. This was my.
Humans are getting harmed और आपको
अरे
ऐसे-
लव भी नहीं करो, ह्यूमैनिटी तो रखो. Why are you hitting a person this bad? उसका काम है आपके. अगर अभी वही स्ट्रेज आकर के आपके किसी फैमिली मेंबर को अटैक
तो आप
करते हैं, उसी को
तब भी
ब्लेम
guard को
करोगे,
question करोगे. And
right? So, but then
He's
that's what
just defending himself,
so
but
unreasonable, blind action of this sort is also wrong because ऐसी
I think
बहुत
वही
सारी
होता है, जो-
ऐसी बहुत
जो-
सारी news है. This guy had put it up on social media where this owner of a pet owner did everything right? उसके डॉग के पास डॉग वाज ऑन लीश, उसका केज भी था, सब कुछ था, बट उसको लिफ्ट में नहीं जाने देता जस्ट बिकॉज अ किड वाज स्कैर्ड. Now, if a pet owner is taking care of everything that is required for them to coexist in a space, then why not? Why are you so adamant? Why are you pushing them to the
So I
world
think
to
this
that?
both sides need to be
Yeah.
rational.
There should be a
If somebody,
sensible balance.
if
between
somebody
that.
is actually taking all precautions, we should actually try and make an example out of them. That they are doing all things right. Everyone should follow their example. But then there are these pet owners also who somehow
They overdo things
They
also, right?
and sometimes these pet owners. I don't know if this has happened with you, but sometimes they'll just come. They've not leashed them. They're just roaming around. They'll say that ये नहीं काटेगा, ये नहीं काटेगा.
this has happened
मतलब
like a lot.
सभी के साथ हम शुरू.
Yeah.
और उससे काटना एक ही बार है.
ये नहीं काटेगा.
एक बार काट लेगा
यार
तो क्या
कितने
होता
तो पेट डॉग्स बाइट करते हैं.
खुला देख के जो धड़कन बढ़
तो-
ब्लड प्रेशर जो बढ़ रहा है, स्ट्रेस लेवल्स बढ़ रहे
तो
हैं.
करण
शुरू
करण के साथ ये हुआ था राइट. करण सन हु इज आल्सो 1.5 years old. उसके मामा का किसी का आई थिंक रिलेटिव का पेट डॉग था एंड ही अब इंटेंशनली और अनइंटेंशनली शायद वो मार दिया था पंचा. एंड देन ही आल्सो हैड टू गेट दोस इंजेक्शन.
है तो एनिमल ही ना. You
यार
don't
तुम
know how
कैसे
that
प्रिडिक्ट कर
actually
सकते
works.
हैं? कैसे तुम उसका बिहेवियर
यार हम
प्रिडिक्ट
ह्यूमन
कर
से नहीं
सकते
प्रेडिक्ट कर पाते हैं. कैसे कर लेंगे?
कैसे करेंगे?
I remember when I was a kid,
And just
I was
imagine
cycling.
he was he's a 1.5 year old kid.
Imagine.
इमेजिन उसको जो इंजेक्शन वो जो मतलब इतना पेनफुल वो है.
Not cool. You were telling a story.
I was when I was a kid, I was cycling and with a friend of mine. हमारे पीछे dogs पड़ गए. वो बेचारा dogs को से बचने के चक्कर में तेज चला गया.
Accident ही
पीछे
हो जाएगा
देखा,
ऐसे.
उससे ब्रेक नहीं लगे. आगे गेट था. वो गेट के अंदर ही banged inside.
अरे मैंने भी देखा हुआ है.
उसके बाद मुंह लगा उसके जाके आगे.
So even if the
Very
dog hasn't
similar story.
attacked,
साथ हुआ बाइसाइकिल
हाँ।
मैंने देखा है यार, मैंने देखा है एक छोटी बच्ची चला रही थी साइकिल, कुत्ता पीछे बढ़ गया एंड उसकी साइकिल गिर गई। अब वो गिरी, उसको थैंकफुली चोट इतनी नहीं लगी, पर तुम ऐसे गाड़ी के नीचे भी गिर सकते हो यार।
but
When I was growing up, there was a friend of mine. मैं उसके घर लंच या किसी चीज़ के लिए गई थी. I entered. There were 2 dogs who came running at me. I was hell scared. I locked myself in her room. There were 4 more pups. So in her entire home, there were 3 people and 6 dogs. And then she was saying, "कुछ नहीं करेगा, कुछ नहीं करेगा." I
कुछ
get
नहीं
it.
करेंगे,
But
कुछ नहीं
you are
करेंगे,
comfortable
लेकिन
living with that.
हमारे
Exactly in that.
That's not
It's not normal for me. But ठीक है, मतलब with passing years now I am more comfortable with pets.
Yeah, but I'm not.
Like dogs,
But-
cats,
and this is my
everything.
personal choice, right? I'm
it's your
not.
personal choice.
Nobody has the right to.
नहीं, but at the same time I do believe कि मैं उसके अंदर क्या चल रहा है मैं नहीं जानती हूँ. Even though वो मेरा पेट है, कब क्या हो जाएगा वो मतलब मे बी वो बहुत नॉर्मल से जेस्चर को समझ ले कि दैट समबडी इज अ
चलो,
जब मैं अपनी
So,
mom को
चलो,
injection
again.
लगवाने ले गया था, वहाँ पे there was a guy जिनको उसकी डॉग ने it was the 3rd bite that उनके खुद के डॉग ने उसको करा था. तो
मैंने देखा था, मैं अभी हम गए थे हॉस्पिटल, वहाँ पे एक छोटा बच्चा आया हुआ था, उनके पेट डॉग ने उनके बच्चे को,
बहुत common
अब वो उसने अटैक करने के मोड से काटा या उसने ऐसे ही प्लेफुल काटा, यू डोंट नो राइट, बट कट गया तो आपको फिर
how can we
इंजेक्शन
say
करना.
ना कि वो मूड
Maybe we can close the discussion. Any last closing thoughts? Chetan, आपके
Yeah,
कोई thoughts?
My closing thoughts are that ये decision बिल्कुल सही डायरेक्शन में लिया गया. I think we should all support government in this decision. क्योंकि हमारे elderly और babies अगर safe रहेंगे, then you know we'll be moving toward a better society.
Perfect.
yeah, definitely the right direction. Maybe prioritization of action is debatable. I still feel that they should have focused first getting at least a few shelters ready and then start the process of collecting dogs from the streets. That would have given everybody slight amount of confidence कि नहीं जो हो रहा है वो सही हो रहा है और ये ठीक है. It's safe for the dogs also and we support it. We can maybe support it. There are a lot of societies and smaller steps जो हम कह रहे हैं कि लोगों को लेना चाहिए. There are places, there are societies which have taken these steps जहाँ पे RWAs या जो आपकी society associations होती हैं, they have actually invested money in ensuring that they get those dogs transferred to a safe space to ensure उनके residents का भी safety and उन dogs का भी good movement जहाँ पे भी उनको
totally
करना. So if you feel that you can be that accountable and responsible, go ahead, do that. Else, let the authorities do what they're doing. Maybe suggest a better way to do it, but don't stop them at least.
Yeah.
Yeah. You know,
Don't be a hindrance.
Right. No, I also completely feel the decision is completely in the right direction. Right. Now, few thoughts there. Right. Even the ones who are protesting today, I feel a small percentage of those are actually concerned, are actual genuine dog lovers. A lot of those who are protesting today are just kind of following that trend and getting on just for whatever, as it's fashionable or it's cool, whatever. Right. Now, I think today to implement this, it is a huge problem, right? And the solution is also not easy to implement. In fact, the government today needs everyone's support.
Yeah.
Without public support, I don't think this thing can be properly implemented. And like Ranjan said, I think what they should do is build a few shelters, right? Publicize those, show them on media, show actually how dogs are being taken care of in those shelters, so that the ones who are genuinely concerned,
Yeah.
and it's okay to be genuinely concerned, they get that confidence that nahi, they are actually better off in those shelters. Let's closing thoughts.
No, I completely agree that first we need to make sure that the shelters are right. And yeah, then takes the dog to their home actually. It doesn't have to be bad. They are not supposed to be caged. They can live there freely. And yeah, it's
But
all
yesterday there was
for
this very
everyone.
funny video which was coming, like which was circulating, where there was this group of people. They randomly, some stray dog nicely sitting, chilling, like हाँ जनता जा रही है, everyday business, oh red car, blue car, whatever, right? अपना बढ़िया chill कर रहा था दोपहर में. This group of people came, lifted that dog up. They're like moving that dog around, whatever, taking care and all of that. And the dog is like, dude, what is happening? Like, why am I getting this much
Has
attention?
anyone asked those dogs, do they really need that much public
It was
PDA?
But they're more happier if you're away from them. You're not doing anything.
Maybe they'll be
It was
happier
such
with
a
their
funny
peers, right?
video.
Rather than, who knows, right? I mean, Zabardasti आप उनको
It was hilarious to see how uncomfortable that dog was at that point, because they were just like literally moving from one person to another, and if the dog is
was
not
like passing
yeah,
the
passing the parcel. कि अच्छा अभी कौन फोटो में आ रहा है, कौन वीडियो में आ रहा है, is the angle correct? And you could see people changing their angle so that their faces are visible and all of that, right? And that's where you start to question कि what is there even the right intent? Or add like those small captions on that dog's hair like, dude, I'm uncomfortable. What is this? Just put me down like
That's
props.
harassment to the
Yeah.
dog, right? So
And they literally like lift. बैठा हुआ था आराम से यार एक कोने में,
वो अपना
आप
chill कर
उसको जबरदस्ती खींच के ले आए, वो अपना चिल कर रहा था. आपने नैप बढ़िया.
वो कह रहा होगा मुझे शेल्टर में भेजो यार, हटाओ यहाँ से, शेल्टर बनाओ यार, मुझे नहीं रहना है
मेरे
इनके
फ्रेंड्स
साथ.
कहाँ हैं? I hate humans.
जो आलिया भट्ट के मीम है ना, मुझे घर जाना है.
It was hilarious.
So,
फिर
yeah.
रोहित आप क्या?
So I think that firstly again I'm reiterating, we all are okay and we all love animals. We
Yes,
are good
definitely.
with all kind of animals. That's point number one, which is really important. And I think that this step is in the positive direction. It's in the right direction. They should start developing shelters, and the shelters should be there. And see, it cannot be done as Rome was not built in a day. It cannot be done in a day's time.
That's true.
It will be a gradual process. It's in the right direction. Be constructive, follow the law. I mean, go volunteer, donate in whatever way you can, time, effort, and just take care of the dogs. If you really love dogs, they should not be on the road. I mean, you can't be
Go
there.
adopt one, man.
Yeah, as small as that. I mean,
Then just
I
being-
think on that note, we are good for this.
Yes.
Yeah.
Thank
Perfect,
you.
thank
Good
you.
discussion, man.
for sharing.
Good discussion.